Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite. First, download and install the game on your preferred device, whether it's a console, PC, or mobile. Once installed, launch the game and create an Epic Games account if you don't already have one. This account tracks your progress and allows you to play across different platforms. Then, you're ready to dive into the action and explore the various game modes available. Once in a match, you'll skydive onto the island. Your first priority is to find weapons, shields, and healing items. Remember to gather materials like wood, stone, and metal by harvesting objects in the environment. These materials are crucial for building structures, which can protect you from enemy fire or help you reach higher ground. Always keep an eye on the storm, as staying outside it will damage you. Effective combat in Fortnite involves understanding weapon rarities and their damage output. A common gray weapon is less powerful than a legendary gold one. Always aim for headshots to maximize damage. Building is key. Quickly constructing walls and ramps during a firefight can save your life and give you a tactical advantage. Communication with your squad is vital for successful team play and securing victories. To truly excel, practice advanced building techniques like editing structures to create windows or doors on the fly. This allows for quick shots and escapes. Experiment with different loadouts to find what suits your playstyle best. The game frequently updates with new items and map changes, so stay informed. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.